Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Batsheva. I have not been on here in a while, so I decided to do a poll on my Insta stories to ask you guys what you were interested in seeing me do a YouTube video on. I got so many responses, but one of the most common ones was a closet tour. Now, if you follow me on TikTok, you have seen my mom's closet tours that I do. She has a crazy closet. My closet, I hope that it won't disappoint you guys. It is definitely not as cool, but it's my closet, has my own clothing, and I hope you enjoy it. So, let's go. My closet is also known as my second bedroom, where I have my couch, have a TV over here, my foldable treadmill for quarantine times, and my closet wall. So, there's a lot to share. Let's get going. Behind door number one, voila! I do share the space with Ben, so his sweaters are on top. Then you have my jeans, t-shirts, some sweaters, and some more sweaters on the bottom. Now for my hanging closet is behind these doors. So on the top section you have my pants, some skirts and shorts, sweatsuits, tops, and the dresses. And I have those little bins over here where I keep leggings, and these bins over here I have for leggings, for tights, and for my little crop tops. And over here I have some more shapewear, bodysuits, loungewear, and then below is my workout clothes and underwear stuff. This is my blazer jacket section. The creme de la creme of this room is my closet wall. Part of the closet wall is blocked by my lovely couch, but that's alright. I shared this wall with Ben. He has a lot of shoes as well. Then we have bags, shoes, boots, hats, and we'll take a closer look. I like to sort my bags by colors, so it's easy to find them and see what I have. And my shoes as well. You can see they're all pretty much color coordinated and by season. This makes it easy to access them. I have my boots now up front and close, easy to get to, and that is the wall. And my sunglasses are on these shelves that are used for nail polish colors, but they work for sunglasses as well. I will link everything. Currently watching Modern Love. This I got from West Elm. I specifically wanted something for TV with storage. In this drawer, I have all of my belts. In this drawer, I have my hats and headbands. Here we have some more sweaters and some storage. That's the tour, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you have any questions about my closet. I will be linking all of the shelves and some closet organizers that I think are really helpful. Make sure you hit the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be posting weekly videos here. Let me know if you have any requests.